5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leave granted. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 22/5/2020 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, Lucknow bench in bail application case number 1398 of 2020, by which the High Court has released respondent number 2, herein accused on bail in case crime number 433 of 2019 under sections 420, 467, 468, 471, 120B IPC, registered in Police Station Kotwali, District Unnao. The original informant has preferred the present appeal. That the record keeper of the Civil Court Unnao, on the order of the District Judge Unnao, has lodged an FIR against respondent number 2, herein for the offences under sections 420, 467, 468, 471, 120B IPC. It is required to be noted that before the said FIR was lodged, a writ petition was filed by the appellant herein before the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, Lucknow bench, being miscellaneous bench number 37206 of 2018, for issuance of writ of mandamus to take action on the complaint made by him against respondent number 2, herein for committing forgery in court record. At that time, it was alleged that there was a fabrication in the court record by way of using Whitener in Sessions Trial number 89A/01 State vs. Mahesh under sections 307, 504 and 506 IPC, crime case number 152/2000, Police Station Makhi, District Unnao. The court record was tampered with. Instead of Mahesh, Ramesh had been written. Considering the gravity of the matter, the High Court called for the comments of the learned Additional Sessions Judge, Fast Track Court, Unnao. It appears that earlier in the order dated 14/11/2018, the very learned Additional Sessions Judge, Fast Track Court, Unnao, made certain observations with respect to the fabrication in the court record. Therefore, the High Court thought it fit to call his comments as to in context of which document the observations were made in order dated 14/11/2018. It appears that thereafter the learned Additional Sessions Judge sent his comments inquiry report dated 9/1/2019, indicating that the judicial record pertaining to Sessions Trial number 89A/01 State vs. Mahesh under sections 307, 504 and 506 IPC, crime case number 152 of 2000, Police Station Makhi, District Unnao, was tampered with. The High Court directed District and Sessions Judge Unnao to take notice of the record dated 9/1/2019 and ensure that the needful is done. Thereafter, on the order of the learned District and Sessions Judge Unnao, the record keeper has lodged the aforesaid FIR against respondent number 2, herein Mahesh, for the offences stated herein above. As per the averments and allegations made in the FIR, a common order was passed on 23/12/2002 by the learned Additional Sessions Judge Unnao in Sessions case number 583/2000, State vs. Pappu Singh under section 307/504/506 IPC, PS Makhi, District Unnao, case number 152/2000, Sessions case crime number 153/2000 and Sessions case number 89/2001, State vs. Guddu Singh under sections 307/504/506 IPC, crime number 152/2000, that the certified copy of the same was obtained by the appellant Shri Naveen Singh on 4/5/2012, in which name of any of the accused was not extended. A certified copy of the decision of the said Sessions case dated 23/12/2002 was obtained by the appellant herein, in which the name of respondent number 2, Mahesh, was found to be mentioned in the order. Though the judgment was not passed in the above sessions case against Mahesh, a certified copy of the said decision/order was obtained on 4/5/2012. In the first page of the decision, case of Mahesh was separated as he absconded. The certified copy of the said order dated 23/12/2002 was received by the appellant number 17/12/2015. Then, in its order on page 10, the name of the accused Mahesh was added with the pen. Therefore, it was alleged that first, the name has been inscribed and the whitener has been applied, which seems to be fraud. Second, the name of the accused Ramesh has been inserted in page number 1, while there was no accused by name of Ramesh. That is special case number 11/12, crime number 132/2002 under section 2/3 of the UP Gangster and Antisocial Activities Prevention Act 1986, hereinafter referred to as the Gangster Act against Mahesh, was pending and under consideration in special court, Judge/Gangster Act/Additional Sessions Judge Court number 5, Unnao, in which a certified copy of the decision and the order dated 23/12/2002 on behalf of Mahesh Singh, paper number B/346, was presented, showing that Sri Mahesh Singh was acquitted in the said case. Having found that Mahesh Singh was acquitted in all the cases shown in the Gangsters Act, including the special case number 583/2000, the Learned Special Court, Gangsters Act, acquitted the said Mahesh Singh. The said Mahesh Singh is the beneficiary of the interpolation/manipulation/forgery of the court record. Therefore, it was alleged that respondent number 2, herein original accused, has committed the offences under sections 420, 467, 468, 471, 120B IPC. That thereafter and after his arrest, respondent number 2, herein Mahesh, accused, file an application for regular bail before the Learned Sessions Court. That the Learned Additional Sessions Judge, Unnao, by a detailed order dated 7/11/2019, dismissed the said bail application, observing that the allegations against the accused are very serious of forging the court's records, and that the accused is the beneficiary of the said forgery, and therefore this is not a fit case to release him on bail.